प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले दिन मैंने हिटलर के बारे में जानकारी दी थी। कहा था हिटलर वाज ए ग्रेट orator and his passion and his words moved the listeners. In this speech, he assured the people that he would turn Germany into a strong nation. इसके बारे में बताया था कि एक बहुत ही कुशल वक्ता था, जिससे वहाँ की जनता उसके भाषणों से प्रभावित हो गई थी और उसने विश्वास दिलाया जनता को कि मेरे द्वारा ही वह देश, जर्मन देश स्ट्रांग हो सकता है। और जनता को विश्वास हो जाने से उसने जनता का समर्थन पाया है, अर्थात जनता ने उसका समर्थन किया और वह हिटलर जर्मन का चांसलर बना एट लास्ट। तो बाई देयर हाइपर पब्लिसिटी हिटलर वाज presented as a Messiah, as a savior, one who could deliver people from their despair. He was projected as a divine incarnation to restore people to their whole dignity and honor. A society which had been shattered by acute economic and political crisis was easily charmed by this image of Hitler. Now, destruction of democracy. On 30 January 1933, the President Hindenburg offered Hitler the position of Chancellor. This was the most powerful position in the cabinet. After acquiring power, Hitler started dissolving the democratic structure and institution. The conservatives were also supporting the Nazi Party in this act. The mysterious fire accident in the Parliament building in February facilitated Hitler's path and move. By promulgating the fire ordinance named as the Fire Decree on 28 February, Hitler suspended freedom of expression, liberty of press, and liberty of conducting meeting and such other civil rights. Identically, no doubt these rights had a permanent place in the constitution of the Weimar Republic. After it, Hitler started representation of the communists, whom he taught these biggest enemies. Most of the communists were hurried, confined in the concentration camp. Out of the 6,808 survived files of the people who were arrested from the Dusseldorf city, having a population of only 5 lakh people. 1,440 files belong to the communists. The Nazi not only did away with the communists, but the Nazi government targeted 52 type of people and dealt with them with a harsh hand. The establishment of monarchy by the Enabling Act on 3 March 1933. The Enabling Act was passed by which monarchy was legally established. This equipped Hitler with free hand. He started taking arbitrary steps. He started running the government by ordinance instead of following the parliamentary procedure. All political parties and trade opinion, excluding the Nazi Party and its allied organizations were banned. Hitler got full control over the economy, media, army, and judiciary. In Hitler's rule, in order to establish and regulate the system of control and surveillance, groups of soldiers were created. Beside the already working green uniform police and the storm troop, the Gestapo, secret state police, the SS, the crime control police, and the SD, security service, were also set up. These newly formed army units were given special, uncontrolled, and unconstitutional power. It was because of their bodies that the Nazi state came to achieve the reputation as the most dreaded, ruthless and criminal state. Anyone could be detained in the torture chamber built by the Nazi. These newly formed group could send anyone in these chambers. Anybody could be exiled without adopting any legal procedure. Anybody could be arrested as their police force were exempted from any legal action. They established an autocratic rule with the impunity. The age of Hitler assigned the task to economic recovery to an economist named Halmer Schmidt. First of all, slashed aimed at 100% production and employment through the state funded employment generation program. This project had happy result. The famous German super highway and the Volkswagen cars are the gift of this project. Hitler's foreign policy achieved an early success. Hitler's foreign policy achieved an early success. In the 1933, he served the German relation from the League of Nations. He recaptured Rhineland and under the pretext of a slogan of one empire, one leader, he annexed Austria to Germany in 1938. After this, he occupied the German-speaking Sudetenland under the sovereignty of Czechoslovakia and the entire Czechoslovakia. During all this action, Hitler got a silent support from Britain, since Britain opinioned that the Treaty of Versailles was very unjust for Germany. These quick success on the home and foreign fronts made them feel that Germany was on the way to progress and improvement. Such a Chest was removed from his post. Hitler chose war as a means to come out the economic crisis. He planned to accumulate more and more resources through expansion of German territory. With his goal on mind, he invaded Poland in September 1939. It resulted in German confrontation with the France and England also. In September 1940, Germany entered into the Tripartite Treaty with the Italy and Japan. This treaty further strengthened Hitler's claim among the international community. Most of European countries installed puppet governments supporting Nazi Germany. In 1940, Hitler was at the height of this power. Now I will teach you tomorrow.